Tonight's top 5 engineering misfires became cult classics, proving bold ideas can outlive their rocky starts and intrigue generations. Number 5, the Tucker 48, dazzled with a center headlamp and hidden safety features before political controversy shut production. Number 4, the Amphicar, promised weekly land and sea cruising, yet delivered awkward performance and scarce seaworthiness. Number 3, the DeLorean DMC-12, wore stainless steel skin and gull-wing doors while battling reliability and cost overruns. Next, the Pontiac Fiero revived mid-engine dreams but faced overheating and recalls, while the Edsel became a cautionary marketing legend.